Do you want to make your elf on the shelf come to life for your kiddos? How magical! The answer here is props. By the end of this video, I am going to show you a few easy and inexpensive ways to make your elf on the shelf more magical this holiday season. For the most magical lifestyle tips, be sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every Monday when we upload videos and when our bonus videos go live this holiday season. And please be sure to subscribe. So, you've made a plan. And if you haven't, there are 2 free resources in the description box below to help you do so. But now what? You have your elf on the shelf, he's out, ready to go. You have some of the gifts that he's going to be bringing your children, including maybe a letter from Santa. What do you do now? It's time to bring him or her to life. We've been making our own props for the past couple of years, so in today's video, I wanted to give you my elf tips, tricks, and hacks for how to make inexpensive and very easy, simple props to bring that elf magic to life. If you want to see what our elf Tinsel is up to in real time, please be sure to follow us on Instagram. Now let's get into the magic. So I'm going to be showing you some clips that I took while I, in real time, made these props. The first prop here that you are seeing is one of my favorites, and it's the elf sleigh ride. So we tend to wrap a little ribbon around these candy canes, but really I'm just hot gluing 4 or 5 candy canes together. And then the reason for the ribbon is so that I can tie Tinsel onto this sleigh. And then you can place him anywhere. We like to place him on the banister, possibly hanging somewhere, or even setting up a fake area of snow. The second DIY here is our paper snowflake DIY. So I did have to look up how to make paper snowflakes because it's been a long time, but when Tinsel brings these snowflakes to Callie, he's also going to make sure that she has paper and scissors so that she can learn how to make her own, and possibly he may write a note with directions on how to do so, or something like ask your mama, so that way we can make paper snowflakes together and then hang them throughout the mirrors on our house. Comment below and tell me, what is your favorite elf on the shelf hack? It obviously doesn't have to be from this video, but what easy thing can your elf do that maybe you would suggest to other mamas like us? If you haven't downloaded our free 30-day elf on the shelf guide, I just wanted to give you a sneak peek as to what it looks like. This is in the description box. It also comes with a letter from Santa that you can just print and deliver. I will also link those videos on the screen for you so that you can check those out as well. Last little DIY is perhaps my absolute favorite. So this is also on the 30-day guide, as are both the sleigh ride and the snowflakes, but this is a new one for us. This is like an elf family portrait. So I am not an artist. I'm great at like digital design. I'm not necessarily great at hand drawing. So I looked up tutorials on how to draw an elf and how to draw Santa, and then I used my left hand to do some of the drawing and the writing. And then all I did was hot glue dollar store pipe cleaners around the edges to make a frame. This is the final product. Guys, it does look like an elf kind of drew it. And I did use like a not pointy crayon to kind of make it look more toddler preschool-y, but I think this is so cute. And then when he comes with this, he's going to bring crayons or new crayons and paper so that Callie can make a family portrait too. How cute. I love this idea. I think this is my favorite new one so far. We do have some helpful elf on the shelf resources here on the screen for you. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. This series of Elf on the Shelf has been so fun to do, so I want to know if you like it, and please be sure to subscribe before you go. Thank you so much for being here, everyone. Happy holidays.